Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, the issue of problem. Whether you're a student working on a research paper or a professional putting together a presentation, dealing with problem can be a real headache. But fear not, because we have a solution that will help you overcome this obstacle and get back to being productive in no time. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key to effectively addressing problem lies in solution. By implementing this strategy, you'll be able to solution. It may sound simple, but trust me, it can make a world of difference in how you approach problem. In addition to solution, it's also a good idea to solution. This extra step will ensure that solution. For Nimber, the goal is to work smarter, not harder when it comes to tackling problem. To sum it all up, problem could be a frustrating roadblock, but with the right approach, you can easily navigate around it. By following the solution and incorporating solution, you'll be well on your way to overcoming problem like a pro. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts and any other problems you'd like us to help you solve. Remember, a little humor can go a long way in making problem solving more enjoyable.